Types of birds that sound like insults. Volume 3. Hazel-fronted pygmy tyrant. You pink-rumped rose finch. Brown-headed honey-eater, you buff-thighed puff-leg. Crinkle-collared manuka, you European shag. You yellow-bellied bush warbler, you're just a cockless pheasant. Large frog mouth, you noisy scrub bird, you ocracious-breasted flycatcher. Plumbus sea-eater, you spotted puff bird. You're nothing but a common gull, a tricolored brush finch, an upland buzzard. White-bearded hermit, you zitting cisticola, you slate-throated white star, you rufous-necked foliage gleaner. You pink-footed puffback, you're nothing but a buff-faced pygmy parrot. Thank you.